Hey everyone, this is Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Leanna at It's a Deal. She is hosting a birthday challenge and it is an inspirational anything goes. It is due by August 31st. Her channel will be linked down below so you can get all the details from her video. I was organizing my craft room and I came across a Christmas pad and I thought, you know what, I'm going to send her some Christmas goodies that she can use for this upcoming season. This is the card that I'm sending her. I am sending her flat mail. On the inside, I have some cut-aparts. We have these cute labels and little pieces of ephemera. Hopefully can use in her projects. I also created some circle embellishments. I had so much fun creating for Christmas. I'm always behind when it comes to the Christmas season, so this was fun to use some of my stash. Also sending her some Christmas colored dewdrops. That is my entry for Leanna at It's a Deal. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.